Hi guys, this is Luca from MosaLingua. Today I'd like to show you how to use the bullet journal technique to be more organized, motivated, and achieve better results when you learn a language. Before we get into today's topic, do me a favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notifications as well, because like that you will not miss any of our videos. We have so much great content about language learning. So let's start from the basics. What is a bullet journal? A bullet journal is a fully customizable notebook which you can use to plan, track, and organize your goals. It's a very powerful system to become more productive. Of course, if I'm talking about that, it's because I use a bullet journal. So let me show you some examples from my personal bullet journal. Here you have my general goals for this year, my travel destinations, the books I want to read, and so on. You can pretty much use a bullet journal for any kind of activity. In particular, I found it very useful to plan and achieve my language goals. Let's see some examples here. To make it nicer and more visual, here I put the flags of the languages I already speak. Then, my language goals for this year. I'm improving my German, so I want to achieve a strong B1 level. Then, during the last quarter of the year, I'd like to start a new language, which will probably be Japanese. Then I have my weekly goals and my weekly program. In my weekly goals, I put some measurable achievement I want to obtain. As I want to learn 200 new words or phrases per month, I have a minimum goal of 50 per week, which is 10 per day if I exclude the weekend, which I use to review. Then I have 3 dialogues, podcasts in German, 1 conversation per week, and so on. The weekly program here is very useful to plan my daily activities. You can see that I have a fixed plan, vocab learning and listening, plus different activities I alternate every day. So on Monday, for example, I have some reading, and on Friday I usually speak with a tutor. The beauty of this technique is that you can personalize it as you wish. So this is just an example you can use for inspiration. After the weekly program, we have another important part, which is the language learning tracker. It's basically a calendar where you track when you study or not. You can see that in June I was quite regular, and apart from 2 days, I studied every single day. Now, some final words to motivate you to try this technique. To get started, you just need a notebook or even a sheet of paper. You can personalize this technique any way you want, and if you click on the link below, you'll get a free template to print to start bullet journaling right now. Preparing this video took me a lot of time, so if you want help us offer you more free content, like the video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on the notifications to not miss any of our video. Cheers!